So it's A?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm just looking at this.
It's a key fact.
It's a key fact?
It is a key fact that any number A squared or whatever to an exponent plus A to another exponent, when you add them, that's what you get. And any number A with an exponent to another exponent, you multiply them to get that exponent.
Good. I like it.
Yeah. Probably could have said it better, but.
That's absolutely correct. When they're multiplied across here, then you add those little guys. I saw a little plus there.
Oh, true.
It's okay. That's all right. You just set it up
Yeah.
in your mind. Okay. Now, it was given that a squared is 12, so then you just squared the 12.
Squared it, yeah.
That was brilliant.